Bring me panyo na pula in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, wala. Bring me panyo na puti in 10.
Turang-turang. Dalian nakaibon.
Dalian nakaibon. Okay, kinsa may tawag sa inyo?
Sila na duha.
Dali.
Sila na duha.
Okay.
Kay kapatid man.
Langga, what's your name?
Prince.
Alright, ikaw at?
Vienna.
Vince and Vienna. Alright, congratulations!
Si Kuan Wayne, katong gisulat ko din mo regalo. Katong gisulatan mo regalo.
Vince o Vienna. Sayaw! Stop!
Nag-ulan.
Okay, so tayo para siya. Okay, let's give them to baby Athena Yisha, who is celebrating her first birthday today. We've all been preparing for this day, so let's keep the ball rolling. Family and friends, let us all welcome our birthday celebrant, baby Athena Yisha. With her is her proud mommy Ate Noverdi. Let us give them a warm round of applause. In every birthday celebration, we have the blowing of the cake candle. And to express our sincere birthday greetings to baby Athena Yisha, before she blows her cake candle, let us all stand up and join her as we all sing our baby Athena Yisha a happy birthday song. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. So before baby okay, let's blow the candle in 3, 2, 1.
One more time.
One more time, baby. Yay! A round of applause, everyone. And now we will proceed with